In this lesson, we are going to work on the About Us and the Contact Us so that people can be able to contact you. So let's go now to SP Page Builder and go to Pages. So far, we have just the home page, and then we have the shop pages done. So you want to click on Add New Page. We call this About Us and click on Save. So once you've created the page, you can click Add New Section, or you can just click on the front end editor. Let's do this on the front end. So from here, I can click on Add Elements, go over to Sections, because sections are a lot easier for you to just drag and drop. These are ready-made content. So I'm going to just drag this one over. I like Content 3. Drag it over. And just like that, I have information that I can customize and tweak for the About Us. Now, if you notice the background, I'm going to change that background. So you click on this icon here and then click to edit. I don't want this particular background, so I'm just going to click clear, and then I can use, let's say, a gradient. I think that looks okay. But again, you can change it to whatever color, or if you wanted to do something a little more subtle, I can go to, let's say, like something like this. So I'm going to use something like this, right? Not too dark. And then all that you would have to do at this point, you're just changing the text. You say the mission, you put your company's mission. You say the vision, you put it. Whatever info that you want to put on here, you can put that stuff. And I'm going to reduce the space for this. It's just too much space. I'll leave it at that for now. Let's see. Too much space. Okay, so I'll put that all the way at the bottom. So I can drag that up like that. And I'm going to click on Save just so you can see what that looks like. And let's refresh the About Us page. Now again, you get this 404, right? Because we haven't connected this to the front end. So let's do that. So you want to go to the back end of your site. Let's go back here. I'm going to click and close. You always want to connect the menu pages with what you've already done. So go to Menu, go to the main menu, and where you see About, you want to click on About Us. So that should connect everything now. Let's go back to the home page, and then let's click on About. So now we have a simple About Us page. You can change the background again. You can do more edits to it. And if you wanted to, let's see here, if you wanted to reduce some of the space, let's go over here and click to edit. And you notice at the bottom here, the pattern is too much. So you can always reduce that pattern, or you can just leave it as it is. That's pretty much up to you. So I'm going to just leave it as it is right now. It's simple, it's plain. When you're building a new business, a new e-commerce store, you don't have to have a lot of details, and you can change this button colors too. And I showed you that before. So let's work on that. It says custom. If you click this drop down, you can use secondary. It's going to change it. You can use success, but you don't really need this button right now. So it's up to you if you want to keep it. So I'm going to leave that right there. And then just click on Save. And now we have the About Us page, and that's done. So next we're going to move over to the Contact Us page. And to do so, we need to go back to the back end of Page Builder, right, to be able to get that done. So let's go over to Pages on the back end. And we're going to click to create a new page, and this is going to be Contact Us, and then click on Save. And let's do this in the front end. Click front end editor. Let's go to our add-ons and look at the library, see what we have. And I'm going to put that up. So go to contacts. So this is a nice, simple contact ready-made form. You can use this one, or you can use the one that has the map. So I'm just going to grab this one right here. Again, it's personal preference, and just drag it over. And just like that, your contact stuff is done. So if you want to change the background for this too, you certainly can change the background. So I'm going to click here to edit the background. Go over to the styles. So instead of using this image, I'm just going to use a color. And I'm going to use this a little darker gray, just like that. Keep it the same as the other one. It's okay that this white, and then want to click on save. And then let's preview it. So just like that, our contact us is ready. So at this point, anyone can reach out to you to contact you. Now, you can put your email here. If you want to update any one of these, you certainly can. When you click on this form, you can put the recipients from your name, from email. If you wanted to show the phone number field, you can do that as well. So if you wanted to collect someone's phone number, you can do that as well. All this information is going to get sent over to you. And then the button here says send message or contact. You can change that to contact us now. So this is just a simple way for you to get going. And again, you can change email. You can change the phone number. This is just some demo stuff here that we want to change this from that to, let's say, 1 or whatever area code you have. The website name. I'm going to put here, let me see the website. So MathewTamin.com. And then of course you can put your address right over there. Get in touch or whatever you wanted to say. So that's fine for now. And let's click on save. Again, if we're going to front end, we're not going to be able to see this. If you click contact, it's not going to show. So let's go back here. And we're going to click to close this. And we want to connect this new menu page. We want to connect the menu to this new page. So we'll go over to menus, the main menu. And click on contact. We want to click where it says my store. And then we want to go to contact us. Save and close. All right, let me close this tab. I have too many tabs opened up here. So now, when I click on the home, it's going to take me to the home page. Let me X that off. I have a lot of tabs. So let's click here. This is going to take us to the home page. And then when I click on the contact, it's going to take us to the contact us page.